Okay, this is the CMD tutorial 6, but I'm going to start on bat files now. So what a bat file is it'll execute a CMD line. So for example, I'll create a new text document, or I can even use this YouTube one. I'll go into it and I'll edit it in such a way that I say I'll say ping 10.0.0.2, and I'm going to close it and save it and then rename it by pressing F2, or you could just save it as .bat, whatever it may be. And I'm going to open it, and what it just did is from that bat file it executed a the command line in it. So I'm going to right click and say edit. I'll use Notepad because you guys have Notepad. So what it did is it put this line in the command prompt. So now if we wanted to wait, because as you saw, I'll show you again, it ran the ping, and then once it was done the command prompt closed. Now if you want it to stay open so that it'll ask a question or whatever, you can say pause. So P-A-U-S-E, save, and then open it again, and you'll see it'll run through the ping cycle and then it'll wait. It says there we go, pause. So press any key to continue, press any key and it'll close. Now if you want the command prompt to tell you something, so we use the command called echo. So we can say echo hello, and then we'll say pause. Save it, open, hello, pause, closed. Now there's a multitude of things that you can do with .bat file. There's a few fun things that you can do, which I'll show you now, and in later videos I'll show you some advanced things like file creation, opening programs, multiple programs at once. But for now I'll show you some cool things you can do. So what I'm going to show you now is a matrix effect. So what we have here is it says at echo off, which means that it's not going to do anything. Color 02, that's the selection of the color, that gives it a name, start, and then it says go to start, right? So that semicolon signifies a position, okay? And then it says go to start, which is the position that it's set up there. So it's going to run through the random number here and then go back to start. Don't really worry about what this code means. I will include it in the description. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like. So we open it up, and there it is. It's a matrix looking command prompt. We can stop it just by clicking, and you can just see it's just a list of random numbers. Obviously if you wanted to, you could change the color to anything you wanted to. So we'll change it to 3, open it up, and there you go, you got a blue one. You can do pretty much whatever you want with this, but it's pretty much just a gimmick. There's not really much more that than just cool colors, and you could open a multitude of them. I'll show you how to do that later. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of my first .bat file. I'll be doing many more. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.